Are you wondering if ClickFunnels is worth it? Let's cut through the hype and get straight to the facts. ClickFunnels is one of the most popular funnel building platforms out there. It's designed to help you build high-converting funnels quickly, whether you're selling products, capturing leads, or growing your email list. But is it really worth your time and money? Here's what you need to know. ClickFunnels offers an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor, pre-built funnel templates, and powerful automation tools. It also includes membership site features, analytics, and integrated email marketing in the newer 2.0 version. For many entrepreneurs and small business owners, ClickFunnels has been a game changer, saving them time and boosting their online sales. However, it's not for everyone. ClickFunnels can be more expensive than other platforms, and it might feel overwhelming if you're just starting out. So is ClickFunnels worth it? The answer depends on your business goals and how serious you are about scaling your sales online. To help you decide, I've put together all the key pros, cons, and a special offer link in the video description below. Be sure to check it out. Don't miss this chance to see if ClickFunnels is the right fit for you. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Build Sales Funnel for more honest reviews, step-by-step demos, and funnel building strategies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.